In May, as I put the KTM Duke 390 and RC 390 to the test to see which one really deserves a spot in your garage. When it comes to the world of motorcycles, two bikes that always seem to be on top of everyone's mind are the KTM Duke 390 and the RC 390. And for good reason. Both of these Austrian-built machines are known for their impressive performance, handling, and style. But which one is right for you? That's what we're here to find out today. Many riders find themselves stuck in a dilemma when choosing between the Duke 390 and the RC 390. On one hand, a naked bike. The style of the bike is another major factor to consider. The Duke 390 is a street fighter at heart, with its exposed engine and aggressive stance. The RC 390, on the other hand. So, which one fits your riding style? Are you a laid-back cruiser, or a hard-charging adrenaline junkie? When it comes to specifications, the Duke 390 and RC 390 share a lot of similarities. Both bikes also feature a 6-speed transmission and a lightweight trellis frame that's designed for agility and handling. In terms of comfort, the Duke 390 is the clear winner. Its more relaxed seat and handlebars make it a great bike for long road trips or daily commuting. Intense bursts of speed and handling. It's not as comfortable, but it's definitely faster and more agile. When it comes to handling, both bikes are incredibly capable. The Duke 390 features a more forgiving suspension that's perfect for rough city streets or twisty canyon roads. The RC 390, on the other hand, while the RC 390 is an incredible track bike that's capable of blistering speeds and incredible handling. What kind of riding do you plan on doing? If you're a track enthusiast who's all about pushing the limits of speed and handling, the RC 390 is the clear winner. So, which bike do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more motorcycle comparison videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.